YouTube advices are 99% all about camera gear, lighting, audio, how to create thumbnails, ISO, shutter speed, camera movement and settings, gear must-have for beginners, and please, let's stop here for a second and think about. If you're just starting out your YouTube journey, diving into all of these things is the same as trying to build a house, starting from the roof, and as we all know, this is not really the way of building a house. That's why in today's video I want to give you 5 mistakes that you should avoid no matter what and focus your energy in the right direction so you can build your house properly this time. Let's start with mistake number 1, and this is gear obsession. New YouTubers sometimes, actually most of the times, believe that buying expensive equipment will instantly improve the quality of their videos. However, if someone tells you that the gear doesn't matter, he is not completely honest with you.
Yes, well, he lied.
Gear matters, but for your visual appeal, and this is 100% true, but it doesn't really matter for creating engaging content. Let me explain this. Creating content is all about delivering helpful information to your viewers that will resolve their problems or will be entertaining one. Example, how-to videos like how to change the oil of your car at home. These kind of videos are everywhere and a lot of people are sharing their experience on YouTube and helping other people. Here is one, for example. Now let me ask you, do you think this video was recorded with fancy camera gear, lighting, tripods, gimbals and so on? Of course not. But this video has tons of views, and this is because the content solves problem and helps people. The gear such as camera, lighting and audio are tools which can help you to boost your content, but they won't help you to create one.
Oh my god, oh my god!
Even with the most expensive gear, you won't be able to create engaging content if you have no clear view and plan of the content you want to create. Focus on content over the equipment. Invest time in learning about storytelling, editing techniques, and engaging with your viewers. Remember, a good story can grab viewers' attention way more than your fancy equipment. Let's move down to mistake number 2, and this is ignoring content planning. Some new YouTubers dive into creating content without clear plan or direction. This can lead to inconsistent uploads, lack of focus, and difficulty engaging with their viewers. In my opinion, planning is 99% of the whole process. And by planning, I mean to do all of this boring stuff, like to do research about the content you want to create and try to find out if people actually will be interested to watch your content, to work on your title, thumbnail, and script. It might be wrong, but I personally start with the title, moving down to the thumbnail, and script the video based on the title and the thumbnail. Once the script is done, I'm going over the whole script once again by reading it and try to add notes about what kind of B-roll videos I need and create a short list so I won't forget anything. Planning the recording accordingly based on my needs, and for all of this I use Google Docs because it's free and gets the job done for me. Take time to plan your content. Try new ideas, create a content calendar and outline your videos before filming. Having a clear plan will help you to maintain focus and consistent. And by saying consistent, this will be mistake number 3, inconsistent upload schedule. New YouTubers often struggle to maintain this consistent upload schedule, which can will hurt the channel growth and viewer engagement. Consistency is the key to build audience and keeping them coming back for more. So the question is how you can keep up with regular uploads. Let's say once per week. Let's assume that you have day-to-day job and you are not full-time content creator. You have a family and other day-to-day tasks to deal with. So how you find time to create content by planning, scripting, filming, editing, and finally uploading. I've came to a solution that works for me and I will share it with you now. There are 2 options here, and in both options, unfortunately, there is a trade-off. The first option is to sacrifice 2 uploads. Let's say your plan is to upload 1 video every Monday, and by Sunday your video is done and ready to be watched on Monday. Instead of uploading it and to go live next day, schedule this video to go public in 2 weeks time. Yes, you're gonna miss 2 uploads, but now you have 1 scheduled video, and in this 2 weeks time you can create 2 more videos that you can schedule for the next following weeks. If you do this in 2 weeks time, your first video will be uploaded and you will be able to schedule another 2 videos for the next following 2 weeks next to Mondays. Now instead of having 6 or 7 days till your next upload, you have 2 weeks time to create 2 more videos, and if something happen, you'll be covered with 2 uploads. And if you repeat this process a couple of times, you might end up by uploading not 1 but 2 or even 3 videos per week. That makes sense? I hope it does. The second option is to sacrifice the quality of your video and push yourself to create 3 videos for 1 week. Upload the first one and then schedule the other 2 for the next following weeks. I think the first option actually is better because you will miss 2 uploads, but you have time to create a better content without sacrificing the quality. And if you think creating 3 videos for a week is easy, try it, and after that let me know how it went in the comment section below.
I can do this all day.
Moving down to mistake number 4, comparing yourself to established YouTubers. It's common for new YouTubers to compare themselves to established creators with millions of subscribers, and there is nothing wrong as long as you don't get discouraged by comparing their results with yours. This is absolutely wrong, and the reason is a YouTuber with over 1 million subscribers, guess what? He's not a YouTuber anymore. He's business owner, having a bunch of people work for him in the background. Put it this way. You cannot compare a team of 10 people working on one single video with you, the solo content creator who has to deal with everything by yourself. But if you change your point of view by watching these giant YouTubers, by trying to learn something from them, this is a different story. You might like how they talk, the framing, lighting, the way they record their B-rolls, tons of things that you can learn from them.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So keep watching them to learn from them, but don't get to the point where you just give up, which is the final 5th mistake, giving up too soon. Perhaps the most common mistake is giving up too soon. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, patience, and dedication. New YouTubers may become discouraged if they don't see immediate results and leaving their channels permanently. The thing is, before starting this journey, ask yourself one single question. Do you really like and enjoy creating content? If the answer is yes, then there shouldn't be any reason to give up, because at the end of the day, YouTube might be your best choice of place where you can share your experience, make people happy and laugh, or be helpful to many of us by sharing tips which help us on day-to-day issues. I've started my YouTube channel almost a year ago, and up until probably a month ago, I was thinking probably I'm wasting my time because I don't see really much of a difference between my videos I've created so far. And I think I've walked a long way and I did improve my content. Of course, not too much, but it's improvement. My point is, instead of giving up, set some small goals that you want to achieve, like the first 100 subscribers or your first video with over 1,000 views. And with every next video, try to get better in some way. At some point, results will follow if you keep walking the whole journey. I really believe that everyone can achieve amazing results, and this is because I finally saw it with my eyes, how my girlfriend video jumped from 3K to over 100K for less than 24 hours. That video was uploaded probably a month ago and jumped to over 100K like after probably 3 weeks. So don't give up. If this is something you like to do, just keep going and everything else will follow. And finally, at the end of the day, remember, the biggest equipment is you. It's not your camera or any of your gear, but just simply you. So make your plan, schedule, execute your plan, keep watching the big sharks on YouTube and try to learn more and more from them. And simply don't give up. My name is Kalin Denev, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now and happy recording.